TecX and how are you? Hope you're all good. So today in this video we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy M32. So stay tuned with me. So I have a disclaimer for you that this unboxing is not suited by me. This video is suited by one of my friend. So please cooperate. Hope you will cooperate. So without wasting any further time, we should start this unboxing. So I will giving you all the important information about this, that what its specifications, what it's everything about what is in this box, and all the things which are related to this. So stay tuned and let's start the unboxing. So let's start. So this was ordered a few days ago in sale of Amazon's. I know in other countries it may not be there, the sale, but in India this sale was available between 3 to 9 of October. So we will see this unboxing. So this is the box of Amazon, you can see. So let's open this. So let's open this. It's taking too time. This is the box of smartphone and this is your receipt, you can see. So let's keep this box aside and this is your receipt, you can check out. So this is your smartphone Samsung Galaxy M32 in blazing box. So let's break the seal and open the smartphone. So finally its seal is broke and let's out the phone. Yeah, this is your phone. Let's keep this aside, and this is your charger and a piece of earphone. So this was all inside the box, which was necessary for you. So I know this unboxing is not that much good, but whatever I thought I should make this video, because by making this I will explain you all the pros and cons of this smartphone, so that you can favor to buy this. So we will discuss now all the specific key points of this smartphone, why you should buy, why you should not. So let's start first with its specification. That what are specifications? So the smartphone comes with your quad camera setup, in which your primary camera is of you can see it is marked like A, that is a 64 megapixels main, which is day or night camera, which is good. And your secondary camera, that is your of 2 megapixel, which is your I think macro, for macro shots. And your another that on C you can see, that is your 8 megapixel ultra wide camera of 123-degree angle. So last is your for depth sensor. So this is your camera. Then yeah, this comes with your 6000 mAh battery, in which you can see you can use it for internet usage up to 24 hours with using Wi-Fi or LTE. Video playtime is they are showing like 24 hours, 25. Music playtime 130. So you can check out. Yeah, so let's talk about its main specific key points. So first is your FHD Plus S AMOLED display that is provided by Samsung, that they trust that their S AMOLED is something unique. And second, which is big key point, is that it is 90 Hz refresh rate, and you can see its color 800 nits, and I already told about its battery, that is 6000 mAh, and all the camera, that is 64 quad camera. Okay, so its front camera is of your 20 megapixel, that is decent and good. So this was all specific key points which you need to know. So this comes with your two variant, that is your 4 plus 64GB or 6 plus 128GB, and it is expandable up to 1 TB. You can expand it with using SD card. So another great feature is One UI 3.1. that is your latest UI on which Samsung smartphones are running, which have Android 11. So this will come this will definitely get update of your next 3 Android versions, and all your Android 4.0 Samsung One UI 4.0 will also launch in this. So it is secure by Knox, in which you can about your secure folder, which is also so this looks very classy and cool. So yeah, so this was all the important feature. We will discuss its price, but it will vary because in India this is something different. So I will explain. Hold on. In India they are selling 6GB plus 128GB storage at your 14,999, that is your 15,000 approximately, and of your 4GB and 64GB storage is at 12,999, that is your approximately 13,000. It is available at $163. So you can buy it. I will put link in description, so you can easily go to your website. I will put links of some best websites, so you can purchase without any problem. It comes with your two color, that is your black and your light blue, which is awesome color, and its chipset is your of MediaTek Helio G80, which is an awesome and fire processor. I used it. It will never lag. You can play games and do whatever easily without any trouble. So let's come on its battery and your charging. So its battery is if you are international, then you will get 5000 mAh with fast charging of 25 watts. In India it is your 6000 mAh and your charging is 15 watt. So it's audio. It comes with your audio jack 3.5 mm. So this was all unboxing, guys, and all the specific key point I already discussed. So hope you like this video. So if you like this video, just share with your friends if they like to buy this phone. I'm not promoting this, I'm just sharing my thoughts. It is a good phone. You can go for it. Its processor is good and everything is good, so you can definitely favor it. So we will see you in next video. So stay tuned and hit that bell icon and subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching, guys. See you in next video.